Welcome to the Stormcatcher rolling screen installation video. When installing this product, you will need a pencil or pen, a tape measure, a hammer drill or drill with masonry settings, a 1/4 inch masonry bit, and 5/16 driver bit to drive in your fasteners, a level, preferably at least 4 feet, safety glasses. On taller openings, you may need a ladder. We recommend an additional person to help you with this installation if you have a larger opening. StormSmart will supply the following items: a rolling screen in its housing with a set of track, a universal, and a handle. The purpose of this video is to give you basic installation knowledge. We will cover 2 roll screen installation methods. We will begin with the track first installation method. Step 1, measure the overall hood assembly. This will give you the outside of track to outside of track measurement. It is a good idea to place marks on the wall where your tracks will line up. Next, remove the front of the hood prior to installation. Once you have a spot for your first track, drill your first hole. If you are attaching to masonry, use a 1/4 inch masonry bit. If you are attaching to wood, pre-drill the hole with a suitable 1/4 inch bit. In most installations, you will use a 2 1/4 inch by 5/16 Tapcon. Once your first hole is drilled, drive the first screw in. It is not necessary to tighten it all the way. Make sure the track is plumb and drill and drive in your second fastener. Again, it is not necessary to tighten this all the way. Having the fasteners loose will allow for slight adjustments once you are further into the installation. Once the first 2 fasteners are in place on your first track, repeat the steps on the opposite side, making sure the other side of the track is positioned, leveled, and plumbed properly. You are now ready to place the hood assembly into the tracks. It is important to remove the reel and screen that is rolled up on the reel from the housing. To do this, remove the pin from the saddle bracket on the non-operating end. Removing the screen and reel ensures that the screen does not get damaged by your drill bit or by the drill's chuck. You can now fasten the back of the hood assembly to the wall. The hood assembly has tabs that extend off both end caps. Insert those tabs into the track. You will have pre-drilled holes in the 2x2 angle that is fastened to the hood every 18 inches. Drill into and fasten the hood to the wall. Place the reel and screen back into the hood in the same way that you took it out. It is important to remember to place the cotter pin back into the saddle bracket. Once you have tested the screen and know that it operates properly, you can tighten the fasteners that you already have in the tracks. Next, drill and fasten the remaining holes in the track. Now, plug the holes with the track hole plugs provided by StormSmart. Your next step is to put on the front of the hood cover and put the universal into place. Once the universal is attached, your next step is to install the header. The header is cut the same length as the overall box width and is designed to be attached to the center cavity of the track. Place your header directly underneath the box and into the track using self-tapping number 14 fasteners. StormSmart will supply you number 14 self-tapping fasteners. Once the header is attached, your last step is to caulk and seal the box and track to the substrate it is attached to and to clean the unit appropriately. Congratulations! You've completed a standard rolling screen installation.